My name is Bill Doherty. I'm a systems design engineer here at ATS LSS Systems Chicago. My role is to work with the front end of the business and the operations team to ensure that our machines meet all the technical requirements that our customers have. Recently, ATS Chicago has been evaluating changes in equipment for tube cutting processes. One of those that we've found great success with is ultrasonic tube cutting, which uses traditional ultrasonic welding equipment, but instead of applying a weld to the product, we are using a blade type feature to cut through the tube. So long term, the impact to our customers of using an ultrasonic tube cutter is going to be you're going to see an increased lifespan of the blade equipment due to the nature of the ultrasonics reducing wear on those surfaces. You will see an increase in the cut quality of your tube. It will also reduce the amount of particulate, which will minimize the possibility of any contamination inside the product and keep the work area very clean. So ATS had an ultrasonic tube cutter that we evaluated in partnership with Branson. We ran that in our lab facility for 5 million cycles and evaluated the impact of quality over time and found that the blade performed fantastically over that amount of time. Some of the biggest challenges of working with the ultrasonic tube cutter are challenges that you'll see traditionally in tube set automation, regardless of what equipment you're using. Keeping the amount of tension that the tube is under consistent to ensure that throughout all parts of the process, your tube is being consistently handled is very critical to making this application repeatable. I'm most proud of the value that this brings to our customers. Many types of tube cutting equipment will perform very similarly in the course of a small scale machine run, but what the ultrasonic tube cutter brings to our customers is long-term value over their complete ownership cycle of the machine.